Good afternoon, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll just show you how I've managed to take the clutch master cylinder out of a Ford Mondeo 2.0 TDC high. It should be the same with the petrol one. So step one, you need to take the steering cover, the top one. Take the steering cover off, which is this one. So you take the steering cover, take the bottom one first, then take the top one out, then remove the clocks. So remove the clocks and disconnect the steering from the bottom end, and after that take the 4 screws that secure the steering to the dash, and the steering comes out completely. And in that way it allows you now to have access to the inner screws, which is off. You can see, guys, that one, the screw, the nut showing up, the screw showing up there, this one here, and there's another one on the side. 2 of them, you take them out, and there's also another one on the bottom. And after that you have to wing out the all complete unit, the pedal and the clutch master safe cylinder. Ensure that you take the harness, which is an harness which comes for the brake sensor, not for the clutch sensor. Just take it out. Just take it out and pull it. So just it's a little bit rough to pull it. Please don't take the airbag off. There's absolutely no need for you to take the airbag out. Just this one, and you have access. Then the rest is straightforward. You just pull it out by twisting it out. If you twist it, it should be able to come out as I did, and the new one you put in. And to install it, it's a reverse. Yeah, I'm sorry for the poor video quality and too much moving. I was not prepared. I didn't really want to do a video, but I thought I should do it for someone might find it useful. Thank you. So once again, step one,